I like nature, so I love to go up the mountains. I enjoy listening to the animals. I do a lot of outdoor activities when I was back in Singapore. So I go hiking, I go trekking, I go rock climbing, bouldering, I go kayaking, and basically I pursue different outdoor activities. Outdoor education is a form of experiential learning. Is essentially the teacher or the educator creating learning experiences for the children to go through. So now that you know you have learned it through this experience, how are you going to apply it to your life? So that's experiential learning. So if I translate outdoor, whatever I've learned in outdoor into experiential learning and experiential learning into math, what I do in math is that I make it a very activity-based, a very experiential-based learning for them, because math is all around us. I really don't like my students to sit down there and just to listen to me, but rather I use collaborative learning technique, and so I use a lot of group work, I use a lot of collaborative learning techniques to help them have fun. But in that fun, they are actually learning. And they're not just learning for themselves, they are learning with their friends. They're also teaching their friends through that discussion, through that activity. But in the midst of it all, they didn't realize that, hey, we just had a lesson. To them, all they had was we had a lot of fun. But that is learning through fun, and that is experiences. I think for me, the passion is just seeing my student every day growing to be a better person he is today than he was yesterday, and that's good enough for me because I know it is a long journey, and this small part of the journey on a daily basis will bring them towards that.
More than an educator.
More than a school.